ivy. I won't read why the always say who. There are many birds in the forest. Birds with red and green feathers sing in the trees. Birds with yellow and purple feathers come from the plants, but there is one bird in the forest who has no feathers. She sits in a tree and cries and cries. I have no feathers. The bird in the forest said, let's help the bird with no feathers. The plant gives her a red feather. The owl gives her a brown feather. The sad bird has 5 feathers, 10 feathers, 20 feathers. She lost, I don't need you. Now I have many feathers, and she flies out of the forest. The owl is mad. He wants to feed that bird. He wants his feathers. He flies out of the forest. He asked the monkey who jumped in the jungle, who has my feathers? The monkey don't know. He asked the